So I have gone through everything. This is the stuff from the last drawer that I am keeping. I just have to get it put back. Um, this pile here, the piles have kind of blended together because it's a lot of crap. But this is the pile that I'm getting rid of. I'm like throwing away because it's just a lot of old stuff that I probably should have gotten rid of a long time ago. And then this pile over here is stuff that I'm going to first let my sister go through, and then I'm probably going to give to friends and stuff like that. But yeah, so my drawers look a whole lot cleaner now and more organized. And just not totally packed with a bunch of stuff that I don't use and probably will never use. And it just feels very good that I have done that. It took quite a while, but it is now done. I feel very good to have it done. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was kind of different, but it was something that I really needed to do, and I know I like watching these kind of videos, so I thought that I would just film it since it's going to take me quite a while to do. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you like this or if you have any other video ideas down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!